Believe it or not, blogging is still relevant in 2025. Squarespace actually makes it really easy to blog. Really, it helps with your search engine optimization. It helps promote you as the authority in your area of expertise. And just a great exercise to keep writing and tell Google that your site has relevant content for searchers. Okay, so let's go in. I'm logged into the site and they have a lot. This is the New Jersey Utilities Association website that I'm working on, and they have a ton of information that they need to get out there in the public. So once you see here, you're going to go to pages and I have this new section set up. This little pen symbol means it's the blog. So if you were going to start a blog, you can just start in your unlinked section here. I'll start a new one and just choose the collection, choose blog. All right. So right away, you're going to get one of these formats that Squarespace suggests. I'm just going to pick this grid format here. We can keep this, we'll name this blog demo. So once we name that, you can go in here, and Squarespace has some already pre-made templates. Let's just go in here and let's fix this setting first. And let's adjust what we like here. Do we want to show the excerpt? Do we want to show the date? You can adjust all of that by managing the section. You can change here how many you want to show in a row, and you can play with the spacing here. Okay, and then you can change the crop ratio. 3:2 standard is pretty good. But let's take out the, you can toggle that, the read more, a little closer. And let's take out the date. And now let's go in here, hit save. And I'm going to take out this last one here. Just going to delete this one so that we have 3. Let's just go to blog post number 1. So give it a title and copy and paste an article that you have. So I'm going to go to one I've already done here. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this one. Let's grab the whole thing. Hit copy. Go here. And let's paste this in here. All right, and I'm gonna grab that title, cut it, and add it to the title. So this section of the title is separate. So now you have a blog post. And you can go ahead and add any block, any section. So you can go in here, let's add an image. I'm gonna find this one on my library. Don't need it to be that big, so I'm gonna drag it and put it in set. Let's grab that corner now. You can save, hit exit, and let's publish this one. Go to our settings. Remove this image, grab that image we just grabbed, and then let's pull an excerpt from the body. Command C on Mac, go in here, go back to settings, and then we're gonna hit that excerpt. We're gonna hit save. But let's do some extra here. So let's give this 2 things. I want to show you how to backdate something. So if you want to change the date of when it's published, you can go right in here in this publish section. You can backdate it. It's backdated to the 9th. That way you can reorder your blog post based on chronology. And then also let's go in options. All right, and let's look at categories. So I have some categories here, internships. All right, and that way hit save. You don't have to check that box. You can delete it if you want to check the box. You hit save. And now you have this nice blog post right here. It has all your categories, right? So let's look at this main page here, blog demo, and you have this one all ready to go, filled in with a preview, and now your first blog post. There you go, keep going and let me know how it's going.